Hey, it's Dan. Welcome back. I have some good news on how to get a hold of the SBA. I spoke with them again today, and a couple things I'd like to share with you. Before I get into it, please like, subscribe, share this with all your friends and colleagues. A lot of good things coming down the road that you guys are not going to want to miss. So first things first, Javita Carranza, the head of the SBA, was on a large radio station here in Southern California, KFI, yesterday, and did an interview. And she talked about, the problems with the program originally and PPP, and how they've got it all settled. Okay, it was part of it was ridiculous in the beginning because she said the banks took care of the customers that they had an existing client relationship with, which are generally the larger customers. If you have credit lines and credit card merchant accounts and things like that, you're generally the larger customer at your bank. And the banks went to their largest clients and gave them the loans first. So it was completely unfair. She admitted that, but they've done everything they can to fix that. So a couple stats for you that she came up with, which are fantastic. There's 30 million small businesses here in the United States, and 48% of all employees work for our small businesses, okay? And we represent half of the GDP in the entire United States. And the best part about that is I live here in California and we're the biggest percentage of this, but our contribution to the GDP is between 10 and 11 trillion dollars, which is absolutely outrageous to think of how much we contribute. And the smaller businesses like ours are the ones that have been treated the worst during this time. They have right now, let me get the figure, it's $125 billion that they can lend out through the PPP program. Okay, and the PPP program is back up, it's running, it's funding and moving forward. The average loan that's written right now is not $2 million like it was before and hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's $79,000. So if you have an employee-based business that you need your staff, look at the PPP loan, okay? And one thing I'm going to provide you in this email is a different sources to contact people for that. Okay, so let's get into it. The SBA, okay, you can, I was given the actual physical address of the SBA Loan Office today, okay? Now, this is in Fort Worth, Texas, okay? Please do not go there. It is a secure building. When I give you this address, and don't say, oh my gosh, Dave lives down the street from that. I'm just going to swing by and go in there and bring them my documents. Do not do that. Mail them. I would recommend that you send them a priority mail or registered mail to get an answer. Put your loan application number on and send them any documents you'd like and a letter, and be businesslike and polite as possible. Okay? The address is SBA PDC 14925 Kingsport Road, Fort Worth, Texas. Zip code 76155. Okay? SBA PDC 14925 Kingsport Road, Fort Worth, Texas 76155. And again, don't go there, okay? Oh, my buddy lives up the street there. He can swing. No, please don't, okay? Write them. Send them registered mail, and that will be the best way to get a hold of them. I also have, from my local contact, they gave me a list of California lenders that are lending directly through the PPP program. And what I would highly recommend is that you reach out to these people directly. And if you're not in California, who do you recommend? Do you have a branch in Louisiana? Do you have a branch in Florida, Texas, Tennessee, wherever you guys are at, okay? But I also put together a list of how to get a hold of lenders in your area, and have the link below in the video description how to get to that. So again, let me rephrase this. If you applied for an EIDL loan or grant and you want to write them, that is the address for that. If you are waiting for your PPP loan, it is from your direct lender and you want to apply with them directly, okay? Please be civil, please be nice, and there will be more to come, okay? They have told us that they are weeks out. Today's update was, Dan, you know, it's a complete mess. People are behind. Again, I'm going to say this, that they said to me again today. If you were given a grant, whether you agree with the $1,000 or you were given $5,000 or whatever it was based on your employees, that's not how it was supposed to be. We all know that. But if you were given that grant, you were supposed to get a loan offer. Again, I keep saying that. So please be patient. When people get this, somebody got a loan offer today in one of the description boxes. That's the first out of like 700 comments that we've gotten. So be patient. It's coming. I have so much more I'm working on for you guys. And please like, share, subscribe, and tell all your friends, okay? Leave questions below. I'll get back to as many of you as I can. Also, reach out to us on Facebook too, okay? Good luck. Hey, I want to apologize in advance. This next video clip, the audio is horrible, and I completely apologize for it. So you've been warned, okay? Hey guys, I wanted to close this thing out real quick with just a couple things that, some suggestions for you, and that is, right now, one thing I do twice a day is I go out for a run, get myself some exercise, and you should do the same thing. Clear your head. I try to run in the morning and then walk in the afternoon, and use the morning just to strategize on what I'm going to do for the day, and what calls I'm going to make, who I'm going to connect with. And then the afternoon, you know, I just do a walk where I'll schedule phone calls with people and work on, you know, their problems, their issues, and, you know, clients, friends, people I've met here on YouTube. I just want everybody to be kind to one another. I want to give you an example of something that's utterly outrageous, and that is my kids are both in the service industry, and they still get to work because they're considered essential here in California. And my son works for a large retailer and right now people go through this place and do not thank him. They do not thank the staff. They are rude. In an 8-hour shift, they get less than 6 people on average that say thank you. Now, I don't know what planet you guys were raised on, but just, I'm nice to everybody. I try to be polite. I try to thank them, and I try to be grateful for them. But this is just what people are going through right now. Are you difficult? Are you a pain in the ass right now? Are you being rude to your spouse? Are you being rude to your kids right now? Get along with everybody. Everybody's going through this, and this is just crazy, crazy, crazy times right now that, you know, you need to be kind, okay? Use this to reach out to your customers. Use this to reach out to core employees that you don't get to communicate with normally, and make sure they're okay. Make sure you let them know that you're gonna be there 6 months from now and that you're gonna get through this, okay? My daughter had a conversation with a friend yesterday, and I overheard it, and she said the greatest line, which is, we're not gonna go back to normal, we're just gonna move forward. So remember that. I pulled her aside and told her that was very good and profound, but we're gonna move forward, guys. You're gonna get through this, okay? But what is your business gonna look like 6 months from now? What's it gonna look like a year from now? I just got off the phone with a realtor that is brilliant. This guy does a lot of multi-family units, does a lot of distressed properties with divorces and bankruptcies and things like that, and it's going to be huge. But we're not at the bottom yet because we haven't hit that yet. So Michael's going to be very, very busy, and he just sees it starting to pick up right now. But there's a huge problem with financing. I could go on forever about this, but we're strategizing on different ways that he could get business and what I could do to help him. So good luck to everybody. Be healthy, be happy, be kind to one another, and I will get back to you soon. One thing that we're going to do also is I'm going to put together a video of different ways that I get people to get their phone to ring, and different suggestions for marketing and money and ways to get business that you haven't thought of before. So that may come out on Friday. Good luck to everybody. Reach out anytime, and I will get back to you soon. Okay? See ya.